welcome. This is me, JP Rose, singing vegan mum, and this is no more 7-day sugar-free challenge. This is Monday, and you have done really well. During these 7 days, I got some great feedback from you all. Somebody asked me, why am I doing this? Why are you doing this? Well, I lost my mum earlier this year, 1st of March, and she had diabetes. And basically, it was multiple organ failure. And what I discovered over the years was, especially as my mum was getting more and more ill, was that diabetes is a global illness. It affects every organ of the body, your eyes, your heart, your kidneys. So I didn't quite understand that. So every time I was taking my mum to the doctors, and the doctors were just sort of going, oh well, yes, your kidney function is 50%, oh your kidney function is 40%. I didn't quite understand what was happening to her body. It was really awful watching my mum really suffer near the end. I didn't realise how important the kidneys were. I didn't realise how important water is to our bodies. That's why I came up with the idea of doing these challenges. So I will be doing some more, and I might be doing some other challenges as well, just to get us to eat more healthier. And I'm included, I'm the same. You know, Christmas is coming, and I'm going to want to eat the mince pies. I love mince pies. I'm going to want to eat the cakes. The thing is moderation. I think if you remember, we were talking about insulin. Every time we eat the wrong kind of foods, insulin comes out. It has to work to basically drop down the sugar levels, which is too high for our bodies. Then we have this slump, and that continues all the time. So there's another thing that I discovered was that we eat too often, and we don't allow our bodies to recover. We don't allow our bodies to absorb the food that we've just eaten, and every time we eat, remember, the insulin comes out, works hard. Eventually what diabetics has is this thing called insulin resistance. Basically it means the insulin stops coming out and regulating your blood sugar levels, and that's when we start getting into these big troubles. I think we should continue to use our tips that help us to suppress our sugar cravings, i.e. the cinnamon, the apple cider vinegar, the cayenne pepper, lots of water, eating healthier stuff, eating lean, more grains, more vegetables, more fruits. Next year I'll be doing some vegetable challenges because we don't have enough vegetables on our plate. This is just to get us all healthy, and as I said, that's me included, because really, Christmas, birthday parties, I've got kids, so I'm always going to birthday parties. It's not about beating ourselves up. Every day we're stepping towards just being more healthier and more healthier. Well done, 7-day sugar-free challenge. Don't yum off the sugar. Oh, I've got a tip. Watch your portion sizes as well, so not too much big dinner. Adding cinnamon to food and beverages, just in general, really helps with your sugar pangs. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar just before you go to bed will help to reduce your sugar levels when you wake up in the morning. So guys, see you again, 7-day sugar-free challenge. But I think the next one will be 4-day sugar-free challenge. I think Ellen Thomas and a few other people lasted for 4 days. So maybe that's our team. So maybe we'll do our 4-day, and then we'll try 7 again. We'll go back to the 7, yeah? And then the big one day soon is 30 days. And then maybe the big one is forever. Guys, thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to go to my YouTube and subscribe and like and share. Send me some tips, I'll send you some tips, and let's get jiggy with it.